going, what sound does the puppy dog make? What sound does the puppy dog make? Very good. Yeah. What sound does the monkey make? Yeah, very good. Hey, what sound does the kitty cat make? No. Meow. Kitty cat says meow. Yeah. Say it. What sound does the kitty cat make? Okay, maybe I confused you. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack, quack. Remember? What sound does the duck make? Where's the ducky? You looking for him? What sound does he make? What sound does the duck make? Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. What are you looking over there? You know that there's a ducky over there? Zoe, say duck. Say duck. You wanna find the duck? Yeah, I'll go get you a duck and show you. What is this? What is this? Is this a duck? Aw, you love him? Okay, here you go. Jeez. What is that? What is that? Duck? Yeah, very good. Now where's the kitty cat? Kitty, 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 kitty. Let's wait. I know a kitty cat will show up sometime. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, the kitties are locked in the bedroom. Never mind. Okay, scratch that. Kitty cats are in the bedroom. They're not going to come out here, okay? Duck. Yeah, you have a duck. What sound does the duck make? Quack. Quack, 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 quack. You're a smart girl. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Duck. Duck. Very good. You're so smart.